Loaded up, and then I think we're gonna, well, I've already eaten. You gotta eat, right? So he's gonna eat. I can start staining, yeah, because I gotta get all of this. I got 25 boards. They're 1x4s. I need to get them all stained and let them dry so that I can, we can probably start putting them on the wall. It's gonna be another wall treatment. Put a wall, oh, they're 1x3s, that's right, not 1x4s. Thanks, babe. So these 1x3s and get them on the wall. So I'm gonna be a staining, you know what. And then also while he's getting that out, Target delivery came. Let's see. Yeah, it's here. So get all this stuff in the house and get it set up before I get started. All right, I am back outside in the garage, and Bae has set this up for me. We need a sawhorse. I really need a sawhorse, but I don't have one, so I am going to improvise and trying to get my supplies out so I can get started. Got me some gloves. I need to put down some drop cloth because I don't want all this stain on the floor. So I'm gonna put this down. So I'm gonna get stained. I'm not gonna record all of this because this, who wants to watch me stain? All right, so I am back and I am about to start staining. I'm using Minwax wood finish penetrating stain in the color of red mahogany 225. And I actually have used the stain for other projects in the house, so I want to use the same one so everything matches. So I had some left in this little can, and then I also have a big can. So I'm going to see how far this little small can goes. So also we got this Minwax brush that we didn't have before, so I should be able to just easily brush the stain on all this wood. So I'm hoping this is going to be a hit. Now y'all don't judge me because I'm in this chair, but bending over was not going to work. Too much on my back. So I'm going to sit here and do it this way, and it's actually fine. It's fine. So see if you can see the color is coming through that we like. I really love this red oak finish on this particular wood. We messed around and got another kind of wood. I don't know what it was, I can't remember, but it did not come out the same color because it was different wood. So consider the wood you get when you're trying to stain, because it will give you a different finish. So you can always test it out, of course. Make sure you get what you want. But so far, so good. Let me wipe this one off. So see, this is the one that I haven't wiped off, and it's a lot darker. So when I do the next set, I won't do 3 of them at one time, because as it sits in, it gets the color penetrates deeper. And I don't want the dark color. I want to rub out most of that off, that dark color. So this one is actually came out darker than I would want. It's all right. See the difference? And then I also have to do the sides, but I don't have to do the back, of course, because this is going on the wall. Hey guys, I'm back. So after a few hours and my daughter-in-law and her husband stopped by, the boards were dry. So it was late in the evening. It probably was after 10 o'clock. And Anzio and I decided to go ahead on and start putting the boards on the wall. At least laying it out, see where we wanted to start it towards the left, how far we wanted to go. We had 25 pieces, so we kind of just wanted to get an idea of where we wanted to start the accent wall. But what I did not do, guys, and I'm so sorry, is that I did not record as we were going along. I thought I did. Maybe I lost the footage. I'm not sure. But I don't have the footage, a lot of footage of us adding it onto the wall. So I'm just going to walk you through what we were doing here. So we started out, we figured we would start the wall not exactly inside the staircase or you know, hiding, or I don't want to say hiding, but we didn't want to start the wall too far to the left. And then we did not want to take the wall halfway between the sofa, the distance of the sofa. We didn't want it to look like half the wall was in this slat accent and then the other half was sheetrock. We just kind of wanted something of an accent. All right, so we kept moving along, getting the hang of using the nail gun to secure the slats to the wall, as well as just making sure everything was evenly spaced. You'll see in a few minutes here, a few seconds here, that I have another piece of wood in my hand. That's what we were using as a spacer. It was just a piece of scrap wood that I had out in the garage. And also another good thing was that we did not have to make many cuts to the pieces. We purposely bought those. I think these was 1 by 3 by 8, I think, because I think we have 9-foot ceilings, but with the molding and the baseboard, or the baseboards, we didn't have to make any cuts. It probably was about 1 inch off, and now that was hidden behind the couch. So this made it really, really easy for us to get these on the wall. And after a while, it just pretty much became real redundant. It was just take a 1 by 3, get it spaced correctly, put the little piece of wood between it, and nail them to the wall. We kept going until we used all 25 pieces, and the 25 pieces fit perfectly for what we were going for. Also, I'll tell you that I thought I wanted to paint black behind the slats so that the slats looked like they were had a 3D effect. But Babe was like, no, that's probably a bit too much. Let's just put them on the wall. And he was right. It ended up being really, really good. We did not need anything else to the wall. So like I said, I don't have any footage of us finishing off the wall. So we're going to jump right into the reveal. So I hope you guys enjoy. Everybody, this is the finished product. We got the wall in. I am so excited about how it came out. The 2 pictures. We went round and round on what we should do there. We couldn't figure that out, but we got the 2 pictures in. I took this plant here that was in my dining room, and I felt like it kind of framed this space out a whole lot better than what it was doing in the dining room. And then I had this plant over here, was next to the refrigerator in the kitchen. I moved it over into that corner. Just to give me some life and greenery over there. Changed out the pillows a little bit. And this is what we landed on. And then I don't know if I showed you guys the finished. Did we? I don't know. Did I record this, babe? I don't know. But anyway, here is the towel that Manny finished down here, and it looks so awesome. Looks so good. So kind of made it all clean and fresh down here. It's just really pulling the kitchen back together. So as soon as we get a chance, we're going to start changing out some light fixtures down here. Aren't you ready? Are you ready for the light fixtures?
Yes.
He's cooking. He's on the grill, so he's kind of hot. So we're going to change out the light fixtures. I'll take you and show you. Well, these fixtures here, I actually like this color. He doesn't like them. And then we have this fixture here. I don't know why he's leaning. But we have this fixture here. I actually thought about spray painting this one and just keeping it. I don't know. We may just change everything else out. And then I didn't show you guys, but I've been trying to do a lot of stuff around the house, but just kind of get everything in a cohesive look and feel. So I found this at the at-home store. and picked that up. So as you know, we definitely need another light fixture because that is silver, and it doesn't go with anything in the house. And then we also got these pictures. They a little bit remind you of what's upstairs in the master bedroom, if you remember from that vlog. So if you haven't checked that out, go check out the updates that we made to the master bedroom. In our sitting room, can't see for the window, for the glare from the window, but anyway, I got these from Home Goods as well. So we got those sprinkled across the house. I really love it. And then this vase, I already had it. And then that ampersand, I picked that up at Home Goods one day as well. So let me take you to the dining room. I'll tell you, show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, that needs to go. That is quite the eyesore. So we're gonna definitely get rid of this and switch it out so that we can get some more cohesive looking light fixtures in the house. Thank you guys for watching. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to our channel. We have more interesting content coming up, including some exciting travel vlogs. So thank you. See you guys next time.